Hello everyone, my name is Sean and today we're going to be solving copy list with random pointer. Okay, so let's get this done. Oh, I've already solved this before. Okay, a list, an additional random pointer, which we point to any node over null. Okay. I'm gonna still point to the original list. Okay, so we need to create a copy of this. Okay. Well, you could just return copy.deep copy of head. I think that should work. It will create a copy of a deep copy of the entire list. Okay, that passes. Okay. Yeah, but if I don't want to cheat, let's not cheat. Let's actually solve this correctly. If there isn't a new node, oh, so we have to make sure we go back to the beginning again. We also need to make sure that we're actually updating our we're going to create a new node. It's going to occur. And we have to make sure we actually we have to make sure create a dummy pointer. We're just going to go to sol. Going to go to that new node. Update these. Update these. Yeah, because if there is a random, then when that random is equal to that current copy of that random, which is just its own thing as well. I think that should be correct because I'm creating a copy of each node. Ooh. Oh, because I'm using sol instead of dummy. Dummy. The sol needs to stay at the beginning, so we can use that for the results. Yep. Cool. Yeah. So let me know if you guys enjoyed today's solution. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.